Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabi and today we're having the last video of 2022. I can't believe that 2022 it's over. Like what? This year went like this? Like what happened? Honestly, what happened? Anyway, I'm gonna share with you the fragrances that I'm debating which one to wear for New Year's Eve. I have in here 6 fragrances. Actually, I already chose my fragrance for New Year's Eve, okay? So I'm gonna have the fragrance I'm gonna wear and other 5 fragrances, other 5 perfumes that I was thinking about them. I was planning maybe I'm gonna wear this one instead because they're sexy, because they're like just amazing for a night out. They last on the skin, they project, they're just perfect. They're just perfect for that event. So if you're like last minute, you don't know exactly what you're gonna wear, and maybe you have these perfumes in your collection, okay, go smell them again and maybe you're gonna change your mind and you're gonna find a fragrance, a scent for New Year's Eve. So before we start, if you like this video, don't forget the big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and now let's jump in. Like I said, I already know, okay, I already know what I'm gonna wear for New Year's Eve, and that is Chocolate Queen. I have to wear it, okay? I have to wear it this year. I worked so much on this YouTube channel. I worked so much with other different brands, but obviously I released a fragrance with Navitus. Like, I'm so grateful that this actually happened. This is exactly what I wanted in a perfume. This is exactly how I imagined this fragrance would smell like when I started this project, and I'm so happy to actually have it. So I have to celebrate this perfume and actually wear it on New Year's Eve. I wore it already like numerous times, but you know, New Year's Eve, it's a special day. It's a special day. I decided to wear this one because it's sexy, it's gourmand, it's not overly sweet, okay? This one in a room, when you're inside, it does last on the skin, it does project, but it's not overpowering. It's not like everyone is gonna look at me, because like sometimes, you know, like you don't really want strangers to look at you, but like people that are around me, they're definitely gonna smell me. And it's sexy, it's sensual, but it's not like you're not trying too hard, you know. You just smell good, you just look good, you just feel good. This is what I wanted with this fragrance. Obviously, you probably already know, we are completely sold out in UK and EU. Just a few bottles left. Actually, I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. I don't know if this fragrance is still gonna be available. I hope it is, but literally, I know the numbers and it's like very, very low stock. So this is literally your last chance to get Chocolate Queen. It's my fragrance, okay? Let's spray it. It just puts you in that like sexy state of mind. That's it. That's everything that I'm gonna say, okay? The fragrance that I know for sure I'm gonna wear is Chocolate Queen from Navitus. But I do have other 5 fragrances that if Chocolate Queen never existed, I would probably wear these ones instead. The first one that I have is MADONE from PIERRE. Listen. This is so sexy. This is basically sandalwood and vanilla, but it's just something sexy about it. Like, it's dark, it's a bit dry as well, it's a bit woody, but that vanilla is like smooth and silky, and the sandalwood is creamy and a bit powdery. It's something sexy, like very, very sexy about this perfume. I didn't want to include in this video nothing like super powerful oud or super sweet gourmands. Like, no, I just wanted something very sexy and that still projects, that still lasts on the skin. But I don't know, New Year's Eve for me is like, you smell sexy, you smell bougie, you know, like you need to have your best perfume on you. And this one, I got it this year, but like it was an immediate love. I love it so much, and I would probably wear this one if I didn't have chocolate queen. Un Madone from Pierre Guillaume. The next one that I would probably wear, it's Mandorle from SORA DORA. I never thought I'm gonna like a suede note, okay? But this fragrance, oh my god, this fragrance is almond. It has almond and it has a suede note. Like the suede in this fragrance is so creamy, and again it's like dark and sexy and just amazing, just amazing. It's not overly sweet, it's not gonna choke people out. I don't want that. I want that in other occasions, okay, but for New Year's Eve I don't really want that. This is just so like sensual and sexy and seductive. It's very, very seductive. So this one would definitely be an option as well. Mandorle from SORA DORA. If you want something sweet though, you can go with VIVAMOR Ultimate Aphrodisiac. Listen, if you love almonds, if you love chocolate, if you love vanilla, this is for you. It starts sweet, like very sweet, chocolate, nuttiness, that beautiful vanilla. You're definitely getting all of that, but then the dry down, you're getting more like those like roasted almonds, but it still has something sexy about it. It's still not just food. It's still not overly gourmand, even though it is a gourmand. It's definitely a gourmand. It's such a beautiful, beautiful scent, and it's very powerful. Like it's gonna last, it's gonna project. Again, it's delicious but not sugary sweet. It's beautiful. Such a beautiful fragrance. VIVAMOR Ultimate Aphrodisiac. And two more perfumes, maybe if you want something a bit more unisex, okay. We have INITIO Side Effect, which is this like tobacco, boozy, creamy tobacco. It's perfectly unisex. It's so sexy. It's so beautiful. It's a scent that you have to try it first because it might be a bit too masculine for you. For me, it's perfectly unisex and it's just so sexy. Like, that's everything. This is how I would describe this perfume. It's creamy. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. INITIO Side Effect. And the last one, again, same vibe. Sundance from Stefan Humbert Lucas. Listen, absolutely love this one. Again, it's a unisex perfume. You're getting this like cacao in the background, but it's mainly a sandalwood perfume, very dry, still creamy somehow. I don't know how, but it's still creamy. It has some benzoin, so you're getting some sweetness as well. It's just such a beautiful scent. Like, I really, really like it. What I'm mainly getting is probably, it has other notes, but I'm getting the sandalwood, I'm getting the benzoin, I'm getting that cacao in the background, and I'm just getting like other woody notes as well. Perfectly unisex, very unique, dry and creamy in the same time. But it's just, it has something sexy about it, you know, like, and it's gonna last you the whole night. So the last perfume, the last recommendation that I have for you guys is gonna be Sundance from Stefan Humbert Lucas. And that was it for today, guys. That was it. Happy New Year. I can't believe 2022 it's over. Can't wait to see what's gonna happen in 2023. I can't wait to see what other perfumes are gonna be released, I don't know what's gonna happen with the fragrance community. I am really, really curious. Obviously, I told you my perfume collection is kind of completed, but you never know what these amazing houses are gonna release next. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget the big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and like always, I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye bye.